Hey everyone, Linus here, and today we're diving into the world of portable powerhouses with the ASUS Vivobook 16. This laptop aims to deliver a compelling blend of performance, portability, and style. Let's unbox this bad boy and see what it's all about. ASUS has a knack for packing a punch in their Vivobook series. The Vivobook 16 is no exception. This laptop is built for users who demand a reliable and capable machine without breaking the bank. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek and modern design. It's thin and light, making it easy to carry around. But don't let its portability fool you. Under the hood, it packs some serious power. We're talking about an Intel Core i3 processor, a spacious display, and a fast SSD. Let's break it down and see how it performs in real-world use. At the heart of the ASUS Vivobook 16 beats the Intel Core i3 115U 12th Gen processor. This chip is a workhorse designed to handle everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, working on documents, or streaming videos, the i3 115U delivers smooth and responsive performance. This isn't a gaming laptop, but you can definitely sneak in some light gaming sessions. The integrated Intel UHD Graphics handles casual games and older titles without breaking a sweat. But raw processing power is nothing without a capable display. The Vivobook 16 boasts a 16-inch FHD Plus display that brings your content to life. Colors are vibrant, text is sharp, and the large screen real estate is perfect for multitasking. Let's talk more about that display. The 16-inch form factor is ideal for productivity and entertainment. You've got ample screen space to work with multiple windows side by side or enjoy movies and videos on a larger canvas. The FHD Plus resolution ensures crisp visuals. Everything from text documents to high-definition videos looks sharp and clear. The thin bezels surrounding the display further enhance the immersive viewing experience. Design-wise, the Vivobook 16 keeps things sleek and professional. It's got a minimalist aesthetic with clean lines and a slim profile. The laptop is surprisingly lightweight for its size, making it easy to carry around in a backpack or laptop bag. Section 4. Seamless productivity, memory, storage, and security. The ASUS Vivobook 16 comes equipped with 8 GB of RAM and a spacious 512 GB SSD. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and fast data access. Applications load quickly, and you can switch between multiple tasks without experiencing any lag or slowdown. The 512 GB SSD provides ample storage space for your files, documents, and multimedia content. SSDs are significantly faster than traditional hard drives, which means your system boots up in seconds and files transfer in a flash. Security is paramount these days, and the Vivobook 16 doesn't disappoint. It features a fingerprint scanner integrated into the touchpad, providing an extra layer of security for your data. Section 5. Experience the difference, usability, and battery life. The ASUS Vivobook 16 runs on Windows 11, Microsoft's latest operating system. Windows 11 brings a host of new features and improvements, including a redesigned user interface, enhanced multitasking capabilities, and an improved Microsoft Store. The Vivobook 16 comes preloaded with Windows 11, so you can experience the latest and greatest from Microsoft right out of the box. Now, let's talk battery life. The Vivobook 16 packs a decent battery that can easily last through a full day of work or school on a single charge. Of course, battery life will vary depending on usage, but you can expect around 6 to 8 hours of mixed use. The keyboard on the Vivobook 16 is comfortable to type on, with well-spaced keys and decent travel. The touchpad is responsive and supports multi-touch gestures, making navigation a breeze. So, is the ASUS